This is the solve video for TETRESQUE. If you've not already built this box, we have a full tutorial that gives you brick by brick instructions on how to build it, and I'll make a link to that. For the solve, the first thing you want to do is remove the lid. It just very easily comes off. Next, we're going to move this white piece, and that one is attached to this bottom layer. If you'll look in that cavity there, you'll see as I shift this white one, it opens up a spot for green, which is next. So next, green. Sometimes this yellow side can get a bit hung up. There are a lot of 90-degree angles in this particular box, and they're just sharp edges, and it's sometimes hard to move the pieces. So for this one, you might need to pull out on it before you move it. As you can already see, this white one wants to shift over, and that is the next move. Then pink is next, and then red. And that reveals a little treasure. It's a pretty small spot to hold the treasure. I don't even think it fits a 1x1, like a 5-cent coin or something like that, but you could put a little stone or write a little note. So again, this red one just kind of slides over, revealing that cavity there. You'll notice the lid reflects the solution. We have that gold piece as the treasure, these gray tiles as the open spaces, and then just each of the sides need to be oriented in that direction. For the reset, again, it's just opposite: red, pink, white, yellow, green, white. And that's TETRESQUE.